Want to know how to keep your dog looking and feeling their best? Welcome to the wonderful world of dog grooming. This isn't just about making your dog look pretty, it's about maintaining their health and well-being. Regular grooming can prevent skin conditions, ear infections, and even detect potential health issues early on. Plus, it's a great opportunity for bonding and trust building with your furry friend. So, without further ado, let's delve into the world of dog grooming. To start with, grooming your dog is not as complicated as it might seem. It's all about having the right tools and understanding how to use them. Let's dive into the basic tools you'll need. Firstly, a good quality brush is essential. Brushes not only remove dirt and dead hair, but also distribute natural oils throughout your dog's coat, leaving it shiny and healthy. There are different types of brushes available, so you'll need to choose one that's suitable for your dog's hair type. Secondly, dog shampoo is a must. Human shampoo can be harsh on your dog's skin because of its different pH levels. So, always opt for a shampoo specifically designed for dogs. It's also a good idea to choose a product that matches your dog's skin conditions, whether it's dry, sensitive, or prone to allergies. Next, nail clippers are crucial. Regular trimming prevents nails from overgrowing, which can lead to discomfort and potential health issues. Remember, it's essential to be careful while trimming to avoid cutting into the quick, the sensitive part of the nail that can cause bleeding if nicked. Finally, a towel is needed for drying your dog post-bath. It might seem trivial, but a good absorbent towel can make the drying process much easier and more comfortable for your furry friend. With these tools in hand, you're ready to start grooming your dog. Now, let's move on to the actual grooming process. Our first step is brushing the dog's fur. Start by choosing the right brush for your dog's coat type. For short-haired dogs, a bristle brush works best. For dogs with longer hair, a slicker brush or a rake might be more suitable. Brush in the direction of hair growth, starting from the head and moving towards the tail. Be gentle and make sure to detangle any knots without pulling on the fur. Next, it's bath time. Before you begin, gather all your supplies. You'll need dog-friendly shampoo and conditioner, a towel, and a non-slip mat for the tub. Wet your dog's coat thoroughly, then apply the shampoo. Massage it in, taking care to avoid the eyes and ears. Rinse thoroughly until the water runs clear, then apply conditioner if you're using it. Rinse again, ensuring all product is removed from the coat. Once bath time is over, it's time to dry your dog. Use a towel to remove excess water, then you can use a pet-friendly hairdryer on a low heat setting. Make sure to keep the dryer moving so as not to overheat any one spot. Remember to dry in the direction of hair growth, and be careful around sensitive areas like the face and belly. Our final step is nail trimming. This can be a bit tricky, as many dogs are not fond of having their paws handled. Use a specially designed dog nail clipper, and be mindful not to cut into the quick, the sensitive part of the nail that contains blood vessels. If your dog's nails are dark and you can't see the quick, just trim off the sharp tips. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to grooming your dog. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the key points from this video. Grooming your dog is not merely about aesthetics. It's a critical aspect of their overall well-being. Regular grooming sessions can help you spot potential health issues before they escalate, providing a healthier and happier life for your furry friend. Moving on to the tools you'll need, remember that investing in a good brush, a pair of grooming scissors, nail clippers, and dog-friendly shampoo is a must. These tools are key in maintaining your dog's coat, nails, and skin in top-notch condition. And finally, we walk through a step-by-step grooming process. From brushing their fur to trimming their nails, each step is crucial in keeping your dog clean and comfortable. Remember, grooming your dog regularly not only keeps them looking good, but also contributes to their overall health and happiness. Thanks for watching, and happy grooming!